DJ Torch Remix. DJ Torch Remix.
Ничего на свете лучше нету, чем бродить друзьям по белу свету. Тем, кто дружен, не страшны тревоги, нам любые дороги дороги. Нам любые дороги дороги. Ла-ла-ла-ла-ла-ла. Мы свое призвание не забудем, смех и радость мы приносим людям. Нам, творцов, заманчивые своды не заменят никогда свободы. Не заменят никогда свободы. Ла-ла-ла-ла-ла-ла.
In my face, I'm losing track of every tongue that I taste. It's like the whole world is upside down. Can't even tell if this is real right now. Heads in the sky, we're gonna fly around with flames in our eyes. Just gonna laugh about it all night long. Somebody's gonna have to carry me home. Ideas make the best memories. Even if I don't remember, don't remember, don't remember. Oh, bad ideas make the best memories. Even if I don't remember, don't remember, don't remember. Oh. Coming up, can't even think about it. Dreams in a cup, just wanna dance about it, lose our minds. Just wanna dance about it, lose our minds. Lights on my face, I'm losing track of every tongue that I taste. Just wanna laugh about it all night long. Somebody's gonna have to carry me home. Bad wide open behind these four walls, hoping you come. It's just a cruel existence, like it's no point hoping at all. Baby, baby, I feel crazy up all night and every day. Give me something, oh, but you say nothing. What is happening to me? I don't wanna live forever, 'cause I know I've been living in vain. And I don't wanna fit wherever. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home.
I'm sitting eyes wide open and I got one thing stuck in my mind. Wondering if I dodged a bullet or just lost the love of my life. Oh, baby, baby, I feel crazy up all night and every day. I gave you something, but you gave me nothing. What is happening to me?
I don't wanna live forever, 'cause I know I've been living in vain. And I don't wanna fit wherever. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back
I've
home.
been looking sad in all the nicest places.
Baby, baby, I feel crazy.
I see you around in all these empty faces.
All night and every day.
I've been looking sad in all the nicest places.
Give me something, but you say nothing.
Now I'm in a cab, I tell them where your place is. What is happening to me?
I don't wanna live forever, 'cause I know I've been living in vain. And I don't wanna fit wherever. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home.
I just wanna keep calling your name
Till you come back home. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home.
I saw you in the club with your boys, you were looking rough. You're making contact with me. I'm living in a dream. This isn't make believe. I want you to know that I won't let go. My body shows you're everything I need. Won't you stay mine from dawn till night and live our fantasy? I'm in love, 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 I'm in love.
DJ Richard in the mix.
reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his gifts, and Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list. But she said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. I want something just like this. I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, the testaments they told, the moon and its eclipse, and Superman unrolls a suit before he lived. But I'm not the kind of person that it fits. She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can miss. I want something just like this. I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. Where'd you wanna go? How much you
Что скажете сегодня о сегодняшней рыбалке, Николай? А Роман чего сегодня скажет?